Pretty bird, pretty bird. I see you flying through the waist of my eyes. I wanna come through. You pretty bird, you pretty bird. I love the way you look, the way the pretty bird looks, and how it chirps. I love the pretty bird, the pretty bird. My pretty heart, my pretty bird. How I love it and I cherish it every moment of my life. I wanna cherish it all my life. I want you to know that I care. I wanna know that I care. I'm pretty bird, pretty bird. I love that pretty bird. I will never let it go out of my sight. I love that pretty bird. That really pretty bird. I will never let that bird come through. I will always make it come through. Because you don't have to fly, so you can go so far in life. I know that you can go far in life. I know that you love. I know that you care. I know that you cherish all the moments in your life. Pretty bird, I know you care, but I know you hurt. Pretty bird, your heart's so bad to me. I care for you. Pretty bird, pretty bird. I love the way you look. I love the way you look. Pretty bird, pretty bird. I love the way you look, little pretty bird. Once upon a time, I loved this little pretty bird. It was so cute, and I can't wait to hold it. Shout out to my little pretty bird, pretty bird. I love my pretty bird. It's so cute, so many times. Pretty bird. I know that you heard. You fly so high. I love the way you fly. You fly around this world like nothing's gonna hurt you. You fly around this world like nobody hurt you before. Don't anybody hurt this pretty bird. It's so pretty bird. It's colorful. It's so freaking colorful. It's so colorful. I love this pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird.